Hi sir, thank you very much for giving me a chance to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Gerliby Dumasin, 42 years old, married from Philippines. I have 4 children, ages of 20, 18, 16, and 13. I am a high school graduate and I have experience abroad in Singapore last 2018 to 2020 as a domestic helper. My main duties and responsibilities to taking the 3 months and the 3 years old. In the morning, I preparing nutritious foods, helping to take a bath, preparing the uniform, washing the bottle and I sterilize. I play with the 3 years old boy, helping the homework. I play with him in reading the books. I also do household chores like washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning, mopping, marketing, and sometimes washing the car. I also work in Dubai as a nanny housemaid. My main duties and responsibilities to taking the 5 years old girl and the 10 years old boy. I preparing the breakfast, I preparing the uniform, helping to take a bath, and sending them to school. When I come back, I do household chores like washing, cleaning, mopping, and marketing. And the 2 kids, they come back, I helping the homework, reading the books, I playing with them, making the snacks, teach them a proper hygiene, and as a nanny, I give all their needs. Love, patient, and caring. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I promise you I'll do my very best. I treat your kids as my own. I'm a hard work, honest, and trustworthy, and fast learner and dedicated to my work. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a good day.